Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to Wipemate Premium Baby Wipes, the ultimate solution for your baby's delicate skin. These ultra-soft, 100% plant-based wipes are infused with 99% pure water, ensuring a gentle, irritation-free experience for all skin types. Not only are they alcohol-free, pH-balanced, and hypoallergenic, but they're also versatile enough for cleaning hands, faces, toys, and even handling spills. Crafted with eco-friendly materials, Wipemate wipes are cruelty-free and perfect for environmentally conscious families who refuse to compromise on quality. Our innovative flip-top lid design keeps wipes fresh and moist, ensuring easy, one-handed access and minimizing waste. With no harsh chemicals, alcohol, plastics, or parabens, Wipemate prioritizes your baby's safety, offering a clean and gentle touch every time. If you have any questions or feedback, we're here to help because your satisfaction is our top priority. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.